Hi, I just wanted to make a little quick tutorial on this Ninja. It's a personal blender. My wife bought it for me. It's 600 watt. I don't know if anybody else has had this problem, but mine was when I would put the cup in the blender, I couldn't get it to work. So what the problem was for me was, as you can see, these little deals here where it goes in, when you put your cup in and turn it, it presses down on these little deals right here. Now there's three of them. Now all three of them have to be pressed down at the same time for them to work. And what the problem was I guess after continuous use, and I probably wasted something down on them, I don't know, but it wasn't working. So I checked YouTube, I couldn't find the video, and I was just getting ready to throw the blender away because it wasn't working. So what I ended up doing was, right here on these little deals right here that goes down, I guess it's something like a safety valve to make it go down. I took a screwdriver and I pressed it down, and I put some WD-40 on it, and I put some WD-40 on, like I said, there are three of them, and they were all hard. None of them were going down. So that's the problem. So if you have this blender and if it's happened to you, take a screwdriver or take something hard and see if you can press down on these little deals right here. If you can't, take a screwdriver, press it down, put you some WD-40 on it, and just make it where they will be able to go up and down. And once all three of them can go up and down, you can put your cup in about like this and it should work. So that's the Ninja. I'm not sure the name. I just call it a personal blender. It's a 600 watt. If you're having that problem, I hope this video helps. Thank you.